doing?
The sound from the refrigerator, it's right between D and D sharp. Ugh, it's making my skin crawl.
What if I hold a pillow over your face for like a really long time?
No, that's dangerous. Do you know if we have earplugs?
If we did, I'd be wearing them. Go to sleep.
I can't.
Put your fingers in your ears.
And risk driving wax back into my inner ear canal? No, thank you.
Oh. What are you doing?
I'm going to take apart the refrigerator and figure out what's making that noise.
That is a really good idea.
Usually you're not supportive of my efforts.
I'm more mature now.
Hi, Mom.
What did you do?
Good news. I found out what part was making that noise.
You have to put this back together.
Now we're going to the bad news.
What made you think you could fix this?
I'm smart. And I had a book.
Do you still think you're smart?
Yes.
I told him not to do it. He wouldn't listen.
You know how much it's going to cost to fix that fridge?
$200. I have really good hearing.
Do you have any idea how hard I work for the money we get?
I'm sorry.
I don't care how long it takes. You're going to pay me back every cent of this.
Yes, sir.
I'm very disappointed in you.
You know, if you cry, I can't enjoy your pain.